welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making honey garlic chicken bites. So please take a moment and hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is prepping my chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts and I'm just going to get that cut up into bite-sized pieces. Although the recipe is for chicken bites, the sauce can be used on any type of chicken or any size. Once I'm done chopping the chicken, I'm going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to carefully clean and sanitize everything before I move on to the next step. I am sprinkling some salt and pepper as well as some garlic powder right on top of all of the chicken. And then I'm going to give it a good toss. I want to make sure that all the chicken is covered in seasoning. I am pouring some all-purpose flour right into the bowl on top of the chicken as well. And then I'm going to toss once again. I want to make sure that all of the chicken is fully coated in flour. Now that the chicken prep is complete, I'm going to add some olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Next, I'm going to drop in all of the chicken and I'll have to kind of pull it apart because when you add the flour, it does stick together. I'm going to let the chicken cook for a few minutes on each side or until it's golden brown. And while the chicken has started cooking, I'm going to work on the sauce. I've already pre-measured all of the ingredients. I'm going to start by adding in the honey. I'm going to follow that up with some rice vinegar. I'm also adding in some sriracha sauce, some soy sauce, some toasted sesame oil, and cornstarch. I'm getting everything stirred really well. It may take a couple of minutes because the cornstarch does tend to be a little bit lumpy. Now that we're done with the sauce, we're going to go ahead and check on the chicken. I'm giving it a good toss so that I can make sure that it's fully cooked on all sides. Once the chicken is cooked to a beautiful golden brown color, I'm going to remove it and place it in a dish and set it aside. Next, I'm going to lower the heat on the pan and add in some butter and garlic, and I'm going to saute the garlic for about 60 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. I'm pouring the sauce right over the garlic and butter. And then I'm just going to stir and get everything mixed together. And I'm going to keep doing this until the cornstarch begins to get a little bit thicker. Once the sauce is ready, I'm going to add the chicken back into the pan. And I'm going to give everything a good toss, making sure that all of the chicken is coated in sauce. Now the recipe did not make enough sauce to my liking, so here you can see I did make extra sauce and I added it to the pan. And the very last thing I'm going to do is add some sesame seeds as a garnish. And that's really all there is to it. This was a super yummy recipe. I absolutely love the sauce. If you've made it this far in the video, drop a spoon emoji in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy cooking.